Hello my friends, Enrique here with another quick tutorial on Windows 11. Today we're going to see how to optimize the loading times of Windows to make your system start up more quickly. Maybe you are thinking, wait, if you go right here into the Task Manager and you close some processes here so they don't start up with your system, and even if you go into the Startup tab and you close some of them, but let me tell you guys, this is not enough. You can also make some more tweaks to be able to start up and load Windows 11 more quickly, and I'm going to show you right now in this tutorial. Now, to make this possible, you have to download an official application from Windows. You want to go to the description down below where you're going to find the link to this website. This is Autoruns for Windows, in this moment version 14.09. Once you open the link, you want to go right here, and here underneath, Run Now from System Internals Live. Click on it, and once it's downloaded, you want to open it. There are a lot of things right here in this software, but what we are interested right here on this video is right here in these tabs, everything Logon, Explorer, and everything else right here. This is where we're going to be working on this video. If you see right here, the Everything tab is all of the tabs that they are right here combined into one. So here's going to be the biggest one with everything inside of them. What we want to do today is to go into the Logon tab right here in the left side, right next to the Everything tab. Click on it. Right here you're going to see all the applications that they are running in your system. Now, when you are inside of the Task Manager, you only see a couple of them. One of them is going to be the current user and one of the local machine ones. But everything else that is right here, you don't see it when you are in there. And as you can see, there are a lot of things right here that you aren't going to be able to disable through the Task Manager. Now, what you have to do right here is not to delete any of them, I don't recommend this, but instead of that, you want to uncheck the mark on the left side. When they are unticked right here, it will mean that they are not going to start in the moment that your computer is going to start. So select everything that you really don't need to have started at the same time as your system. The things that I will not recommend you to close is everything of the Artenet shell, like for example the command processor, and everything where you see the installed component right here. Everything else that you really don't need, you can untick it and take it out. If you get this notification when trying to uncheck any of them that you may require and need access, what you have to do is to click into Run as Administrator, restart the software, and now you're going to be able to disable any of them. We're going to go right here into the shell to the task. Inside of here, you're going to find programs and services that they are automatically running inside of your system. Everything that you see in yellow is missing from your system, and everything that you see in red is when these have a problem. Now, in the timestamp, you can see the time when these are going to be running or the last time when it was run. And if you see any software that you really don't use, you can also disable it right here. For example, I really don't use the update task in OneDrive, so I want to disable both of them. I will not recommend you to disable everything right here. Some of them are really important, for example, to update drivers or software that you really use. But if you really don't use anymore that software, but you want to have it around, you can disable it right here and update it once you open the software itself. Now, we want to go into the Services tab right here. I will not recommend you guys to disable anything right here, because when you disable something right here, it's not only going to stop from starting up with your computer, but in the case that, for example, you want to start Steam and you have it disabled right here, Steam is not going to be able to open this service of the client service. What you can do right here is to search for any services that you have open and running right now into your system, and then you want to click into the search bar, type for service, and if you see right here the search once more for Steam, right here as you can see is set to manual. But if you have any software that is into automatic, you can right click into it, go into properties, and to change the startup time from automatic or automatic delay start to manual, so it's only going to run in the moment that you start using that software or that service. Now, this part I will not recommend everybody to do it. Most of you, if you go into the drivers tab, please don't touch anything, because right here you're going to be changing the drivers of your system. But if you recognize anything, let's say for example an old device that you no longer use with your system, you are going to be able to uncheck the mark right here and to disable it. Again guys, don't do this if you don't really know what you are doing. This is really advanced, and they don't use too much of your computer, so it isn't really worth it to disable it, especially if you don't know what you're doing. And that is pretty much it. Disable everything that you want to disable and that you know that you aren't going to use all the time and that you don't need to have starting up with Windows. And guys, if you need any more guides and tutorial how to optimize your system for various reasons and even gaming, check out the other videos of my channel. Thanks for watching, my friends. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the content, and a new subscriber is always more than welcome into the channel. Don't forget, guys, it's free and this will really help me out to bring you more guides and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching once more, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.